recording. Alright, so what's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to find a $1 million on, let's say, a viral product to sell on TikTok. So I will use this tool named Sell the Trend. So with this tool you can find any viral product. Of course you will have to do your due diligence in order to find a good winning product, but with this tool there's all this accessibility to find any winning product for TikTok. So first go right here, and when you sign in, I'll leave the link in the description. You will come right here to this page, and then just click on TikTok right here. This is the most hot right now, TikTok, and then you could search any niche that you want. But if you want, you can search for weekly winning product. They will show you all this and then product on TikTok from this week. I'll just click on it, and then let's say you want to search for cat. And then if you click search, right now I don't have a paid plan on this account, but if you click the link in the description, you upgrade to a paid plan, you will be able to see exactly which product is trending on TikTok. And then if I go right here on everything, I can see some of those trending products, but they do not tell you exactly which one is from TikTok or which one is from Amazon. But if you have the paid plan, you will be able to see all those options. I hope that's helped. If you're interested, you can click the link in the description to get a paid account, and then you will be able to find any winning product. So let's say you find this as a winning product, you can copy the name and then go to AliExpress and then paste the name on AliExpress and then click it. As you can see, here is the product right here for 99 cents. So it's selling right now for 99 cents on AliExpress, so you can add it to your Shopify store or your TikTok and start making money. So guys, don't wait, just take action, start create the account, and then you can get the pay plan. It's not that much. I think it just only, what is the pay plan? You go right here, it will show you $39.97 a month, and then you will get all those options right here, and then $99.97 a month, which is worth it. You get all this access to AliExpress trending product, Shopify trending product, Amazon, Facebook. They give you everything. I think it's worth it. Click the link in the description if you want to get a plan from this tool.